When you think of Mars, red probably leaps into your mind. Rusty dust, iron-rich soil, fiery sunsets. Yet within that scarlet world, there are surprises. Fleeting glimpses of blue, both in color and in mood. Imagine standing on Mars at dusk. The horizon glows red, but above, in rare moments, there's a whisper of blue, like a memory from Earth. That contrast, that gentle pause between fiery and cool, is what we'll call the blues. Not sadness exactly, but the soft, reflective beauty hidden in unexpected places. Over the next several thousand words, I'll take you on a journey through scientific wonders, imaginative reflections, and human emotion, all orbiting around this idea of blues on the red planet. The blue mirage, false color skies on Mars. Mars is famous for its reddish sky, but in recent years, Mars rovers have captured images with skies that look blue, or at least deceptively so. In May 2025, NASA's Perseverance rover stitched together a stunning 360-degree panorama of the Martian landscape dubbed Falbrine. In an enhanced color version, the sky appears a crisp, clear blue above the dusty red terrain. Important note, that blue is not what you'd actually see with your eyes. It's a result of image processing designed to enhance contrast and detail, not actual Martian sky color. Still, even as a trick of the camera, that bluish touch on Mars evokes a strange kind of melancholy, like glimpsing Earth's skies in a dream. Blue dunes, geological beauty in false hue. Beyond the skies, Mars has offered glimpses of blue in its surface features too. Earlier, NASA shared images of Mars showing turquoise-colored sand dunes in Lyot crater. Those dunes aren't actually blue. They appear that way due to enhanced coloring that brings out subsurface differences or the fine texture of the material. These blue dunes add another layer to the blue idea, etched by wind, shaped by geology, accentuated by human tools. The real blue, auroras on Mars. Here's where the blue becomes more than an illusion. In a groundbreaking observation, on March 18, 2024, NASA's Perseverance rover witnessed Mars's first aurora visible in actual light, not just ultraviolet. A faint green glow spanned the Martian night sky, thanks to a solar flare's charged particles interacting with atmospheric oxygen. Reuters. This phenomenon was visible in the visible spectrum, green, not blue, but still captures the essence of unexpected colors on a red world. Scientists suggest that during stronger solar storms, future visitors could witness these glowing skies firsthand, even with a camera like a smartphone. Myths, culture, and cosmic blues. The phrase blues for a red planet echoes back to cultural echoes, especially Carl Sagan's Cosmos episode and musical memories. In episode 5 of Cosmos, a personal voyage titled Blues for a Red Planet, Carl Sagan paints Mars as both myth and scientific reality, an arena where human dreams, fears, and fantasies. He explores the legacy of H.G. Wells's War of the Worlds and Percival Lowell's infamous Martian canals, reminding us how mystery and imagination often overshadow reality. Reactor. The phrase also inspired the 1992 stoner rock album Blues for the Red Sun by Kyuss, though that takes the idea in a more metaphorical and musical direction, not directly about Mars. Mars has always been our canvas for projection, of wonder, dread, romance. The blues might be the lyrical ache we feel when pondering the planet, but also a creative spark. Ancient echoes, coral-like rocks and clues to life. Mars is also casting literal geological blues, not in color, but in the emotional resonance of ancient life's hints. In July 2025, NASA's Curiosity rover discovered a small, coral-like rock inside Gale crater. Though not actual coral, its branched mineral veins, shaped by water and wind, mirror Earth's ancient reef formations. These delicate, once-aquatic patterns offer a poetic blend of awe and longing, blueprints of life's possibility in a world that lost its seas long ago. These are not blue in appearance, but they stir a blue feeling, a bittersweet beauty in what was and what might have been. Scientific context. Why these blues matter. Let's ground our poetic journey with clear scientific explanations. False color enhancements. Blue skies, Dunes help planetary scientists highlight changes in texture, composition, or lighting that would be too subtle or lost against the dominant red hue. Auroras result from solar particles colliding with atmospheric atoms. Mars offers a planet-wide glow because of its weak, patchy magnetic field. Mineral formations, like the coral-like structures, are windows into Mars's wetter, more habitable past, shaped by flowing water and mineral deposition billions of years ago. Emotional landscape, the blue mood of Mars. What is Mars's blue apart from color? It's an emotional landscape, a longing for Earth, reflected in skies that could be blue but are not. A wistfulness for water that once flowed, and life that might have existed. A quiet hope in auroral glows, signs that nature still dances in Martian skies. A mythic imagination, where canals and green men once filled our stories and dreams. These blues aren't sadness, they're connection. They invite us to reflect, to wonder, and to care about a world so close, yet forever distant. Looking forward, human hearts, human steps. What lies ahead? As Mars sample return missions gather momentum, we'll dissect more rocks and possibly crack open ancient blueprints of life. Science. Future explorers may witness real auroras with their eyes, not just cameras. Meanwhile, our stories, poems, songs, films, will continue painting Mars blue in mood if not in sight. Closing reflections. Mars may wear red, but its hidden blues, false-colored Earth, ghostly auroras, mineral echoes, cultural dreams, shape our understanding in more tender, human ways.